हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज का जो हमारा वीडियो है दैट इज़ अबाउट द कमिंग 3 months ऑफ 2024, दैट इज़ जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर। आपके लिए कैसे रहने वाले हैं, आपके करियर, आपके फाइनेंसेस, आपकी हेल्थ, आपके रिलेशनशिप में क्या चेंजेस आने वाले हैं, क्या ब्लेसिंग्स आने वाली हैं। लेट्स सी इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग 3 months। सो लेट्स सी क्या गाइडेंस है हमारे लिए नेक्स्ट 3 months के लिए, किस पे हमें वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है। लेट्स सी व्हाट द एंजल्स हैव इन स्टोर फॉर अस इन द नेक्स्ट 3 months, व्हाट दे वांट टू गाइड अस। Swim away from this situation. So theme of the next 3 months is swim away from the situation, which says that you just need to think of this, that maybe you have been hanging around, as a bloodthirsty shark, and there have been people in your life that have hurt you before. So this could refer to a person you are in love with, or you could refer it to another loved one, such as your friend or family member who have been hurting you. So to put this card in a simple way, it says that you deserve a better treatment and you're never going to find it with them. Leave now, and situations like this often grow as a dire that you no longer feel safe. So the cards here are trying to say that if someone is treating you badly, or someone's behavior is not right for you, you need to move on from that place, and you do not have to give that power to hurt you to someone or in someone's hand. You need to know when to leave the door, when you are not respected, you are not treated well. So this could be a friend, it could be a lover who has been putting you up in this situation. So you have to be very careful of that you do not give that power in someone's hand. So let's see what the tarot cards has to say for the next 3 months for you. कैसे रहने वाले हैं आपके करियर, आपके फाइनेंसेस, हेल्थ। लेट्स सी। Let's see your career. Okay, we have 2 of coins for your career, 7 of swords for your finances, 7 of coins for the relationship, and Knight of Swords for your health. So overall जो डेक की एनर्जी है वो वर्ल्ड है that says in the next 3 months there is going to be end to someone and something beautiful is going to start for you. It says there is a circle of life is going to get completed. Karma is going to play a major role here. So whatsoever you have given to the universe, it's going to come back to you. So if you have given love, you have spread love, it is going to come back to you. But if you have done wrong to someone, it is going to come back, it is going to backfire at you, is what the cards are trying to say. In the next 3 months you could also travel somewhere. वेकेशन पे जा सकते हैं आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ, कहीं पे ट्रैवल का प्लान बन सकता है फ्रेंड्स के साथ. सो ट्रैवल इज़ ऑन द कार्ड्स फॉर यू, अबंडेंस इज़ ऑन द कार्ड्स फॉर यू. कोई एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आ सकती है आपके पास इन द नेक्स्ट 3 months ओवरऑल. ऑल्सो आई डू फील financially things are going to be really good for you in the next 3 months. So this was our deck energy. So starting with your career, we have got 2 of coins for your career. We have got 7 of swords for your finances. We have got 7 of coins for your relationship, and we have got Knight of Swords for your health part. So starting with your career, let's see what the cards have to say about your career aspects. With Two of Coins, I do feel there is going to be confusion. There is going to be, you are going to be very confused between what path to choose and what path to not choose. Also, basically the card also arrives at a time when your life is getting busy, if not a little bit. It represents multiple priorities and commitments. So there could be a lot of priorities that you would have to manage. There are going to be multiple commitments for you in the coming 3 months, and you would want to do everything. You would want to fulfill each of your commitment, and you would want to do everything possible in your in your hands. The card here guides us that you have to be flexible, adaptable, and dynamic to the situation. And you are going to be very busy, and busy is good. So basically all of these challenges and activities are authentically things you like doing, and combined bring an optimum level of variety to your world. So the card also may be a sign that you should consider of a portfolio of work for yourself, as opposed to just one main role. A variety of jobs that help you to express your genuine, unique self in all its facets. So sometimes this approach is the best way to learn fast what you do and don't want to pursue in your career, and covering more ground can also help to repeatedly build a wide network of contacts for you. So I also see that you're a Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn here, or uh, you know it also says that somewhere you may also juggle between two opportunities. कोई दो opportunities आपके पास आ सकती हैं, आप उसमें confused हो सकते हैं कि कौन सी opportunity आपको choose करनी चाहिए और कौन सी नहीं करनी चाहिए. And I do feel that you're someone who can handle unlimited challenges in life, as long as you are able to manage your time and energy and resources very well in your hands. So for your career, I do feel that multiple opportunities आने वाली हैं, multiple जगहों से काम आने वाला है आपके पास. कहीं ना कहीं बस जो एक कार्ड्स कहना चाह रहे हैं कि you have to manage your time well in advance. You have to be very disciplined in the routine if you want to achieve your goals. You want to achieve doing things in your life and manifest your deepest desires. You will have to work your ass off to achieve what you are desiring. But yes, multiple opportunities आएंगी करियर में. करियर अच्छा रहेगा, ग्रोथ बहुत अच्छी रहने वाली है आपकी. With the dog, I also see that there is going to be a friend who is going to be loyal, a friend who is going to support you throughout the reading. Also, agar possible, I do not know why I'm getting this intuition कि अगर you are a dog lover, try adopting a dog, keeping a dog at home. And if you do have it, it's a so if we talk about the career part, after career, the finances. So for finances, we have got Seven of Swords. So Seven of Swords, it reflects that for finances you need to be mindful of your financial transaction, and you need to stay alert to any fraudulent activities that may put your finances at risk. So do not spend a lot. Just hold on your hands while you are wanting to spend. Be cautious of any fraudulent activity. Be cautious of trusting anyone with your money. So this is the guidance for you in the coming 3 months. So financially you will have to be very careful कि आपके साथ कोई फ्रॉड नहीं हो जाए. अगर आप किसी को पैसे दे रहे हैं तो बहुत सोच समझ के दीजिए. किसी पे भी आपने पैसों को लेके ट्रस्ट नहीं करना है. और कहीं पे भी कोई ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं, कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स बेटर कि अगर आप नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स के लिए कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट ना करें तो इट वुड बी बेटर फॉर यू गाइज. Moving ahead on the health part, we have got Seven of Coins, which is a great card. Basically, this card is a sign of manifestation. So the card says now is the time for you to concentrate on your weight loss, or exercise goals, habit breakings or diet changes. अभी अगर आपको कोई भी अपनी हेल्थ में इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी है, नाउ इज द ग्रेट टाइम टू स्टार्ट विद waking up early, going for a walk, या कोई एक healthy habit start करना, exercise, yoga, कुछ भी. Once you start that, you will definitely reach your goals. So बहुत ही अच्छा कार्ड आया है हेल्थ के लिए. अगर किसी की हेल्थ खराब चल रही है, you will see improvement in the next 3 months for your health. Coming on to the last part that says Knight of Swords. So that says कि आपका relationship कैसे रहने वाला है. So there is going to be a lot of focus on your relationship part. There is going to be a lot of changes that are going to come. आपका person जो है, they are very determined for you. They are very focused on this relationship. So it is going to work really great. Also ऐसा भी हो सकता है कहीं ना कहीं जो पर्सन है वो आपकी पेशेंस लूज कर सकता है. अगर आप जैसे देयर कुड बी दिस इनसिक्योरिटी आ सकती है थोड़ी बहुत रिलेशनशिप में, इस पर्सन की तरफ से, जो भी आपके लव्ड वन है उनकी तरफ से. सो अदरवाइज ओवरऑल जो है ये कार्ड्स कह रहे हैं कि थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू बी ग्रेट इन रिलेशनशिप. एफर्ट्स करेगा आपका बंदा आपके लिए, आपकी बंदी आपके लिए एफर्ट्स करेंगी. बहुत सारा बट डिटर्मिनेशन, बहुत सारा फोकस चाहिए होगा आपको अपने रिलेशनशिप को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, अगर आपको इसको आगे लेके जाना है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी एंजल्स ने हमें फॉर्चून कुकीज से हमें क्या गाइडेंस मिलती है फॉर नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स. फॉर्चून कुकीज कार्ड्स हमें क्या कहना चाहते हैं. What is something that can come up in next 3 months, जिसके लिए हमें केयरफुल रहने की ज़रूरत है थोड़ी. Future, you may travel or host an overseas traveler soon. Either way, great social fun awaits. So I can resonate this card with the world card here, that travel is on the card for you guys. There is a vacation, you may take it with your family, friends. Then we have intuition. Trust your intuition. It is great time to learn a new skill, change career, invest money. So the card is trying to say just trust your gut power, trust what you feel is right. Do not just go through anything ऐसे ही. Just trust कि what your intuition is going to say, आपकी जो gut feeling है वो क्या कह रही है. If it says a yes, it's a yes. But if your gut feeling even for a second says no, it should be a no for you. I'm also going to pick some cards for people who have been asking for relationship. I have romance angel cards here. So let's see आपके relationship के लिए जो हमारे रोमांस एंजल कार्ड्स हैं वो क्या गाइडेंस देते हैं. We have let go of control issues, allowed the situation to unfold naturally. So with the determination card here, with the card that says efforts need to be made, the card also guides us कि अगर आपके कोई भी कंट्रोल इश्यूज है कि चीज़ें आपके अकॉर्डिंग होनी चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप आपके अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करना चाहिए, you have to let go of those control issues, because people cannot change according to your needs and wants. So you have to let go of some adjustments needs to be made in the relationship. Let's pick one more card. So the card says getting to know each other. So here I feel this card is for people who are single. You may meet someone, and if you have already met someone, you have gotten into a new relationship, you'll get to know each other, you'll get to meet each other often, you'll get to know a lot of things about each other. So This is the card for you, for those who have been asking for the relationship. Last, I'm just going to pull out some messages for the universe from the next 3 months. Let's see what message. Okay, we have already have the universe is on your side. What a beautiful message, that things are going to work out. Universe is having your back, and it will open lots of doors and opportunities for you. Tell them how you want to be treated. They may not know their ways are hurting you. So maybe your partner is not treating you the way you want to be treated. So tell them how you want to be treated. It could be a friend, it could be a loved one, it could be your parents, family, anyone. So if someone is hurting you or their way of talking is hurting you, tell them. And then we have you're good at what you're supposed to be doing. So whatsoever you're doing, you're good at it. Do not blame yourself if anything goes wrong. Just have trust and faith in yourself. And the last one says you need to visualize green to attract money. So just close your eyes and visualize green color to attract abundance into your life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you resonated with the video. This was just a general reading. If you want a personal reading for yourself, you can book it via the link that I've provided in the description box. I'll be back with more videos. Till then, like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.